Good evening. There don't seem to be any respite from the ongoing pain in the equity markets across the globe as investors remain very nervous about the deteriorating fiscal condition in the Eurozone and dwindling fortunes for the Indian economy. The Indian equity benchmark slipped for the 7th straight trading session today due to all-round selling. However, domestic stocks did recover in late trade with the NSE Nifty closing above 4,900. It had earlier dropped under the 4,850 mark in the mid-afternoon trades. The recovery was led by oil and gas and pharma stock. The BSE Sensex lost 90 points to close at 16,372 and the NSE Nifty lost 29 points to close at 5,905. Overall, the benchmark indices remained under pressure throughout the session on lingering concerns about the worsening credit crisis in the Eurozone and its impact on the global economy. The market breadth was weak owing to sustained sell-off in the broader indices. Investors have been dumping these shares throughout this week due to worries that these companies won't be able to cope with the worsening economic scenario. Some of these counters were also being hit due to speculation about the possible margin calls from brokers. Meanwhile, the rupee fell below the 51 per dollar mark for the first time in nearly 32 months on worries that foreign investors will avoid investing in Indian assets due to deteriorating economic fundamentals. The rupee is the worst performing currency in Asia this quarter. It is down by 3.5% since September 30th and is within striking distance of record low of 52.18 struck in March 2009. Indian currency has underperformed all other Asian currencies this year. It has slumped 14.2% from its highest point in 2011 hit late in July. In the international markets, European stocks extended this week's losses due to ongoing worries over the ability of the Eurozone leaders to decisively address the debt crisis. The FTSE index in India was down by 1%. The DAX in Germany and the CAC 40 index in France were also marginally down. Asian shares tumbled following weak bond auctions in Spain and France yesterday. The Kospi in Seoul was down by 2%, while the Shanghai Composite Index lost 1.9%. Thank you. Wish you have a great evening ahead.